What?
You get this. So this will be the pasta.
Ew.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Just this one.
Bye.
What Ate Pai doing, Chantel?
Making her own puzzle because it's 100 pieces.
No, it's not.
It's 1,000 pieces, and that's a lot of pieces.
That's a lot or small?
A lot.
Yeah, she can already build that one, oh. Look.
I'm dying.
Yeah. So bye everyone. So I will see you later when she's done.
What's in the picture? It's Times Square Jigsaw puzzle.
Ah,
Use with both hands and brain.
I don't have one.
So you use your brain, Ate Pai. Auto brain.
Everyone has a brain.
Yeah, like Chantel.
Yeah.
Where?
Pick that's one piece, Chantel. Oh.
Here goes sis.
Still there, at your feet. There, oh.
This one has that one.
What percent
What?
you already finished? I think it's 3% or 5%.
3? 35%.
1,000,000%.
No, 25.
Okay, I'm done.
You help Ate Pai, Chantel.
I'm cool, I can.
Huh?
I'm cool.
You help here.
I'm cool.
Ooh.
Don't say that.
Destiny, Sat, December, Hanson.
Some
I can read here. Fox, UFC, Saturday, December.
That one is New
14.
Year.
Live on Fox.
That one, I know what's that country. It's New Year.
No, New Year's not
New
the country.
York.
New York.
It's New Year. No, it's not New Year. It's New York.
No, it's New Year, Chantel.
This one, oh, here.
A Statue of
No,
Liberty.
it's a car.
Mama, that's a car. Sorry, you fell this round. That's a car. See?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's yellow. Mama, look. That's a car.
Hindi mo.
I found one. And this is a car. They're all cars. I found a piece.
That's missing, I think.
I think it's
No, it's a car.
No, what the heck? I can't mind. I hate playing small puzzles. This is why I don't play. Mama, that's a car. Mama, no, that's a car.
What car?
That's a car. The yellow car thing. That's a normal car thing.
But this one is also yellow.
No, that's a brownish
This
thing.
one is
because
orange.
that's supposed to be a castle.
Yeah, but this is
Something
orange. This one's a orange.
Huh?
This one's the color of orange.
No, it's yellow.
No, it's a car. I think one is hiding in a box. Wait, I found some puzzles in a box. Oh, I found a puzzle in a box. Look.
This one, oh, here.
No,
I found something. I found
I
something.
already checked the car in
Should put that. Mama, I found a piece of puzzle.
But it's blue. Here is
But
orange.
this is the sky.
But this one, oh, it's easy to look for that one. Only one missing.
two.
There's
I
a
looked
lot.
for it and it's not. It's missing probably.
No, it's not missing. It's all in there.
No.
What are you eating?
Ice cream.
Is that yummy?
Yeah.
Can I have that ice cream, Chantel?
Okay, sure.
No, I'm joking. You have Ate Pai.
Okay. What's the rest? Wait, I think it's so hard to find. There's a lot. I'm dizzy.
I'm dizzy. No, I'm not dizzy.
I'm blind.
No.
It's break time. It's ice cream time.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Look for orange, Chantel.
My hamburger too.
Hmm?
My hamburger.
Red na.
This one.
No. Lagi. Hindi lagi ma.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
No, don't
Nakita
disturb
lagi
me.
lagi.
I found
No.
my house are dirty.
Gusto ko na kuha na please. Hindi lagi.
I'm eating this.
No, or should.
Yeah.
Mm.
No, you sound like a pig. Happy late. It's an orange. I think this one is it.
Where?
No.
That one.
No.
You gather all the orange. Then you select.
No, I already picked all the orange.
Sure?
Yeah.
She has a box of blue.
No. Put it there.
This one.
Don't touch that.
Mama, look. She has a
No,
box
I
of
already
blue.
tried that piece.
Mama, that's
Sakti na lagi na lagi. That's for a car.
Yeah, that's a car. I found the orange.
Every orange you see there is for a car.
I will wash my hands, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Oh wait, sakti na lagi na. Sige.
It's time out. It's 4.
I'm back. Where's my where's my gold? Mama, where's my blue gold?
I don't know.
I'm getting cool. Mama, watch this. Mama, watch this. Mama, watch this. Watch this, Mama.
Hmm.
Watch this. Watch this, Mama.
No.
What are you doing?
I'm getting cold. Mama, can I turn off the AC? Oh, wait, I'm
Oh,
new.
this one.
Mama,
Just adjust
No,
the
finally.
temperature. Give me the remote there beside the laptop.
There.
beside the laptop.
25. Don't turn off.
It's cool. We can turn it on later. Okay, fine, I'll turn it on.
Bing, may yung remote.
Mama, you want this more cold? Mama, you want to t-shirt? I found this stuffed animal. That's her diary.
Don't touch that one.
Can I plug it in? I can.
No. It was your own. No.
Okay, but I'm sure it's right there.
Don't touch that one.
Faster, you have Ate Patient 10.
You can breathe.
Don't look. Don't look at me.
Start.
Oh.
Mama, don't look at
So
me.
to look, there's Samsung.
Out, I can't go. I'm changing.
Samsung Galaxy.
Right, Samsung.
Wait, this doesn't even know.
Samsonite. Oh, I found it.
No, that's not it. That's for a car.
Mama, that's a car.
It's for a car, like
Mama, that's a car.
I found.
Don't swallow my mother. She's the best mom.
Yeah, I'm the best.
Wait, no, it's for a car.
Okay, I'm back. I feel so cool. Mama, Mama, look at me.
What?
Look at me.
You're changing?
Yeah, I'll change. I'll check in the mirror. I don't want to know. Look. Mama, watch this.
Mm.
Watch this.
Jar. Yeah.
No, that's for a car.
Mama, that's a car.
I told you every orange you see there, it's for the car.
Mama, that's a car. That one's yellow.
This
See,
one's for a car.
see this one a
Car.
little yellow.
Car.
This one is my
Car.
dad. Just joking.
No, it's not.
Everything you see, it's a car. That's flyer.
Yeah, Lima. It's for a car.
Yeah, it's so hard.
It's for a car.
I think I have to. Well, I'm gonna do it. But I'm gonna find the.
What?
I think this one.
Find the yellow one, Shanten.
No, it's orange.
It's orange. You find orange.
Okay.
This one.
No.
No, you already tried this one.
Sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, I memorized them.
Memorize.
I found a lot of blues. I'm gonna.
Blue is for?
Sky.
Sky.
And Dolphin.
I'll take this one. I found a lot of blues. Look,
No.
I found a lot of blues. Mama, you are not getting cool anymore. Mama, watch this. This is like remember like this. Oh, wait.
No.
Mama, Ate Pai has a question. Mama, Ate Pai has a question. Just joking.
Who is their crush?
Chantal has a crush also. It's this dude named Adrian from the movie thing.
Shut up, sister.
He told me he was handsome.
Shut up, you stupid ass.
No. And he also told me that he was kind.
It's okay. It's okay to have crush on them.
No, I don't like. I don't love. I don't like Ate Pai because this is why I don't love her. I'm your
That's why I
boss.
don't help you.
Come here na. Find the orange.
No, I can't.
Why?
This is why she always bad. This is why she's always bad.
Speak for yourself.
And she even no,
You slap me sometimes.
no, because you're a really crap. Because you're a big lick. Just like mom. I mean, just like dad. Mom's the nice girl that I am.
Wow, you're so sweet, Shanten. Here ba? Join natin pa yun. Isn't that
No, I hate you. Don't join me.
Come here na. Look for the orange. 2 pieces.
Mama, but they're all cars. I'm tired. Wait, are you
You're
sure?
not tired. You're just lazy.
Are you sure, Mama? Are you sure this has a little bit blue?
Where?
It's this one. It has a little bit blue.
And?
Orange, blue, yellow. This one, see this one, look, these are cars. So this one is because see this one has a yellow, this one has the orange, so it's all cars.
No, this one and this one is have same colors.
Yeah, but I don't know where are the blues. It's just a sky. Do you know why Mama she memorized it? I love Alex and yellow. Oh, my favorite. I never tried that before. The biscuit. I tried that before. Remember?
You said you never tried it before.
What?
Nothing.
Oh, you said fried. You want to kill me?
Honestly, kinda.
Why you want to?
You're annoying.
Why you want to kill me?
You're annoying.
And am I? Not saying that.
That's bad, huh?
Wow, Mama, that looks like why does she?
My life in one image.
Mama, Ate Pai looks like Dora.
Yeah, Dora the Explorer.
Just like from the movie that we watched.
Yeah.
Pop. Looks like
I
mine.
hate you.
Yeah. What did you throw that for?
No, it's sticking in my hand. Give me that one. Pick it up.
It's under my couch.
Pick it up, servant.
Don't say that. That's a bad thing about you.
No. Oh, you prefer slave? Ah.
Shut up, stupid Filipino. You follow skies. You miss everything whatever I do. You. Where is the?
What's happening now? What's the progress? Huh?
I don't know. No. She
Washington.
said she doesn't know.
Let's just do the.
Now find this number, okay?
The right side almost done.
Where is it?
Hold by me, and they never helped. We're focusing
By the
on-
help of me.
With the help of my.
I found it, John!
Oh, you found the number?
None
Yeah,
of you
no.
even- none of you
It's a
barely-
building. There's a Disney.
Yeah, you agree.
There's a theater.
All of you barely helped me.
There's a car.
No, we will never help
Times
you.
I
Square.
hate you.
Yeah, because you're a piglet. Our Sam will use piglet that if they get birth to a kid and they would shrink your boobs.
What Papa did Chanten?
Papa's helping me. He's on my team.
I hate you.
Char. Is he helping?
No.
Yeah, I found one.
Where? No, that's for another car. It's in the top. Where is it? It's here, okay? Should be here. It's not only got the lights. I think we can.
Wait, that one's it. That one's it. That one's it.
No, take it down. No, take it down.
That's not even it.
Yeah, no, that's not.
We need to find
I've
another.
made more progress than you guys.
Shut up, you pig. Scissors. Wait, I found
Are you helping Ate Pai Chanten?
No. She's. I'm not in her team.
I
Why?
hate her.
Why you're not helping her?
Because she's annoying piglet.
You want
Annoying me.
this one, this part. I did this part.
No.
Then also.
No,
this.
you never helped me. None of you did.
Mama, don't help Ate Pai, okay?
No,
I hate
I finished this side.
No,
by
I did
myself.
that.
What?
I did that.
What must be going right here?
I hate
That
you
must be
all.
going there. If Ate Pai doesn't, if Ate Pai.
Yeah, I already
No.
seen the yellow part.
No, I did that.
This was Ate Pai's puzzle. Do you have this puzzle when you're
Puzzle?
14 years old?
Yeah,
Password.
Yeah. Oh, and then you sell it.
No.
You sell it to someone.
I give to my friend.
You give it to your sisters.
My friend.
What, my friend? I don't know what's. Mama, remember my.
I found it, Jonathan!
What, you found it?
Yeah, look, here.
We need the views. Yeah, wait, this one. We need
Looks
a-
like the car now.
Yeah, but we.
Only missing.
Okay,
I.
here's the update of Ate Pai's puzzle. What's that remaining Ate Pai?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Go.
It's different techniques like the last time.
Oof. So quick.
Last piece.
Last piece of 1,000 pieces. Oh,
There
wow.
you go.
What is that, Ate Pai?
Hamster.
Here's the real picture. It's Times Square. 1,000 pieces. Piece.
How many days you made it? Huh? 2 days? We can make it in 1 hour. I wish.